Hi guys, VST here, Tech. Welcome back on the channel. Today, as I wanted to do my daily routine and as of that measure my ECG, yeah, I do this occasionally, I got this message from my watch: new version available, install the update from the Galaxy Store to continue using this application. Alright, so this is here the ECG, and let's see if we're gonna get the same message for the blood pressure. Okay, yeah, new version available, same. Alright, you know guys, if you have been watching my channel, you know that Samsung officially released the blood pressure and the ECG as part of the Samsung Health in one of the latest firmwares for a lot of countries outside in Europe. Some people are complaining that they never got this functionality, but if you download and update your watch to the Tizen version 5502, then you probably get this. One UI version is 2.0. Now let's see what will happen when I go into my watch and I go to the Samsung Health monitor and I press here install update. All right, because sometimes I think there are some problems with this install update. Okay, automatically getting this here. Okay, now this is really interesting guys, because I was not able to get the Samsung Health monitor update directly from the Galaxy Store. I'm not sure why, but okay, this worked on my phone. If this doesn't work, like in my case, then you need to manually search for the Samsung Health monitor into the Galaxy Store, and I'll be leaving the link down below into the video description. Now let's proceed with the update. Before updating, of course, I want to check the version, so I'm just gonna scroll down. There is a lot of description guys on blood pressure and ECG, and that's understood because this app is really related to some very important health parameters. So this version is 110039 from the 2nd of March. It is 4 megabytes, and we don't really have a changelog there. We just have that one, but okay. Anyway, we're gonna press here update. So let's see how quickly this is gonna be pushed to the watch. Allow a download, right? Waiting to download the app. Okay, now I am downloading the application, and hopefully after that my watch is gonna be updated. You see, transfer it to watch. Now this is the important step guys, because again, the ECG and the blood pressure are officially part of the Samsung Health monitor we're getting on the watch. And remember, from all the previous videos that I did, we have been extracting manually the ECG and the blood pressure TPK and manually installing them on the watch. But officially they are part of the so-called SHM. And of course you need also a Samsung Health monitor application on your phone. I'm gonna show this later to you, the one that you use to calibrate the watch with help of a cuff manually, and then of course to record all your monitorings and all your measurements. All right, open. Now when I open it, you see, check on the watch, boom, blood pressure. If we hit it right now, the blood pressure, all right, we should be getting this message. Okay, now it's gonna work and no further calibration is needed. What I wanted to show you else is also the Samsung Health monitor on the phone. We have a tab with the blood pressure, and also with the ECG, you can also perform the calibration from here, or if you install it for the first time, you're gonna ask calibration. You can sync with the watch, but please know that every time you reinstall it, you're gonna lose the readings here. With that said guys, I really hope that you enjoy videos like this. If that's the case, you know what to do. A sub will be much appreciated. Stay safe, stay healthy. VST over and bye.